What happens when you drink clove tea every day for 1 week? Clove tea, brewed from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, is a flavorful and aromatic beverage that has been consumed for centuries for its potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants and possessing antimicrobial properties, clove tea is believed to offer a range of advantages when consumed regularly. Here's what could happen when you drink clove tea every day for 1 week. Number 1. Boosted immune system. Clove tea is packed with antioxidants, including phenolic compounds such as eugenol. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, thereby strengthening the immune system and reducing the risk of infections and diseases. Number 2. Improved digestion. Clove tea has traditionally been used to aid digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. The eugenol found in cloves has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic effects on the digestive system, which may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Number 3. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Clove tea contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body when consumed regularly. Number 4. Dental health benefits. Clove tea is often praised for its oral health benefits. Eugenol, one of the main components of cloves, exhibits antibacterial properties that can help kill bacteria in the mouth, prevent tooth decay, and alleviate toothache and gum pain. Number 5. Improved respiratory health. The aromatic compounds present in clove tea, such as eugenol and eucalyptol, have expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and relieve congestion. Drinking clove tea regularly may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Number 6. Regulated blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that clove tea may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. Number 7. Enhanced mental alertness. The aroma of clove tea has been associated with increased mental alertness and cognitive function. Drinking clove tea regularly may help improve focus, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. It's important to note that while clove tea offers several potential health benefits, moderation is key. Consuming excessive amounts of clove tea may lead to side effects such as upset stomach, heartburn, or allergic reactions in some individuals. Additionally, pregnant women and those with certain medical conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before adding clove tea to their daily routine. Drinking clove tea daily for 1 week may provide a range of health benefits, including boosted immunity, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and enhanced oral and respiratory health. Incorporating this aromatic and flavorful beverage into your daily routine may contribute to overall well-being and vitality.